right, you guys, I wanted to record myself cooking. Since Manny said I never cook and I burn stuff, I wanted to record myself cooking and my brand new apron. I have it on, you guys. Hopefully you guys can see. This is the apron I got the other day from Walmart when it hit 75% off. I actually got this apron for $1.90 something. I think it was $1.97. I told you guys I was gonna cook. So I got my apron. I'm cooking some spaghetti. There's the water boiling. I'm making the meat. I have my sauce. And of course my angel hair spaghetti. All right now I am draining the noodles. Look at that. Ooh, that's a lot of smoke. Look at that. Professional. All right. Now I'm about to mix everything. Ooh, hot. All right, so I just put the meat in with the noodles. I got my sauce right here. So Manny can never say I don't cook. All right, there's the sauce. And you know I'm so cheap, I make sure I get all the sauce out of here. So I'm gonna shake it for a minute. All right, now I'm about to mix this. And then we are done. All right, I finally, boom, finished cooking spaghetti. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. All right, so I'm tired. Time to take a nap. I hate cooking, but there you go. And I did it all in my brand new apron. 75% off Walmart, $1.97. All right, I'm gonna see if Manny wants some. Hold on, you guys. All right, you guys, Manny is gonna take the first taste. Don't be looking like that.
Well, I gotta take the first bite.
You know my spaghetti is good. It's not the first time I cooked it. Don't be trying to front. Here. All right, guys.
While I'm taking the...
Come on. I got to get on film. You eating my food.
If you're filming me, I feel like you did something to it.
I didn't do anything. How is it?
It's good.
Wait, where you going? Let me see your face. Go back.
What you mean?
How is it?
It's good. It's always good.
Out of a 1 through 10.
Are you comparing it to my food like a 1 to 10 or just in general like a 1 to 10?
Just the spaghetti I made. Spaghetti.
It's like an 8-ish.
What?
It's like an 8-ish.
I put my heart into this.
I
An
could
8? Take,
yeah, but if I
taste one
make
more.
it...
One more scoop. Come on. One more. All right. Get some extra meat on there. All right. Wait, where are you going?
I no longer need a spoon.
Okay.
I need a plate.
Now, I'm going to re-rate you. 1 through 10. Come on. Come on. Hold on before you answer. I got the apron on. Come on. You told me I wasn't going to cook once I bought this apron. And I'm cooking. Look at that.
It's kind of a cheat.
Come on.
You were supposed to make something you never made before.
But I don't cook at all.
Help me, YouTube. Help me.
Come on. 1 through 10.
I'll give you an 8. I'll give you a 10. I'll give you a 10.
Thank you.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
I loved it.
All right. On to the video. All right. We found yet another deal. This is called Boxy Babies, and I've never heard this before.
Yeah, we sold all them little ones.
Was that the same thing?
Yeah. The dollar dolls.
Oh, the dollar dolls. Okay, well, I guess this is like a baby doll. It includes 2 shipping boxes. What's the shipping boxes for?
Huh?
The shipping boxes. Unboxed baby surprise. Unboxed diapers, bottles, clothes, and more. Look at her little face. And again, this is called Boxy Babies, Unboxed Mommy Online Shopping Fun. All right, so if you guys are looking for this, babe, I need you to scan. All right, so these are the different ones I guess they have. And you guys are not gonna believe how much these are. The box is a little tore up, but I can actually fix that. I'm gonna show you the UPC. There you guys go. That's a big doll. Again, you guys are not gonna believe this price. All right, you ready? I don't think they're ready.
I'm beautiful at it.
Look at that. I'm about to do a boom. I'm about to do the boom. You ready for the boom?
See, that's well
you ready for the boom?
Boom right there.
Manny found this one. Look at this. Boom. $2.50. Boxy Girls, Boxy Baby Sailor. Sorry about the noise. Look at that. $2.50. And look at how big this doll is.
And it's a Boxy Baby. That's a popular thing.
Boxy Baby. So let us know below if you guys are able to score this Boxy Baby. But it's only $2.50. All right, look what we found. We found this Frozen 2, and this is Elsa, right?
Yep.
I think it's Elsa, you guys. Oh, it says Elsa doll. And she sings. So let's try her.
Don't you know there's part of me that longs to go into the unknown?
And her whole dress lights up. All right, so she sings, and we're gonna turn it to the back. Super cute. All right, it's a big glare. There you go. Okay, so it has 14 phrases, and if you guys are looking for something like this, again, only on Angel on the Go, we're gonna give you a bunch of clearance. So just throw it. All right, so here's the UPC, you guys. This again is for the Frozen 2 Elsa doll that sings, and her dress lights up. Oh, sorry. All right, so look at this, you guys. Only 12 bucks. That's a great deal. $12 for this one.
Yeah.
Look at that. All right, so we couldn't find her sister, so the only one we could find is this one. But if you guys are looking for this Elsa singing doll, looks like she, let's see, 14 phrases. So if you guys are looking for something like this, only $12 at Walmart. All right, here's another toy on sale at Walmart. This is the Power Players. Masco, whoever that is, I have no clue. It looks like this is a Cartoon Network character. There's some other characters. They have a bunch of toys on clearance. Here's the UPC. And the price is only $5, which is a great price. Looks like this is a 50% off item. So if you guys are looking for this character from Power Players, it's only $5. You guys gotta run to Walmart.
All right, so this is the Flywheels, and I think we talked about this before.
Yeah, I think we had the ramp.
We had the ramp.
Yeah, for
so
$1.
Yeah. So this is the Flywheel. This goes, I guess, scaled in toys. It's about 200 miles per hour compared to how fast it goes on a toy. And it's a twin turbo launcher. So you basically put the wheels on here, you pull it, and it spins and flies off until it stops.
That goes fast. All right, so it comes with this, but are these extra wheels?
Yeah, so you got a bunch of extra wheels with this one, and it looks like it got both sides. I don't know if both sides shoot off.
Let's see. All right, there goes the airplane again. So it goes over the airplane.
Oh yeah, you can remove this to use as well.
All right.
So you get 4 wheels.
All right, hold on.
So this comes with four wheels. It comes with 2 of them attached, and then you got the 2 other ones on the bottom here.
Yes. So they can change them out.
Yeah, this is a good, cool little toy.
Yeah. All right, so here's the UPC, you guys. And we're here to find you the clearance. So even though Christmas is over, you guys can start collecting toys now for 2021 Christmas, because it's going to be here in a second.
You probably paid more for Christmas for this than you would right now.
All right, so that's what it looks like. And if you guys need the red ramp that this goes to, come to Angel on the Go, because we sell those too.
We don't.
All right.
We sold out.
Oh, we sold out?
Yeah.
Oops. We sold out, sorry. All right, so this is only coming up $9.73, which is a great price. You know the regular price?
I think it was like almost $20.
Okay.
I think so.
Yeah, so that's
$16.20.
a good price, you guys. We're probably gonna wait on this. We're gonna wait it out, see if we can get it for $2.25. But we want to show you in case that's something you guys are looking for. We also found a bunch of troll items. So this is the first one right here. This is the Trolls World Tour. What is it? Looks like a caterpillar airplane. I don't know what it is.
I'll go with that.
Okay, I'm just making it up because it doesn't say. It just says adventure. But this is 4 plus.
It's a Catterbus adventure.
Oh, it's a bus. I was close. All right, so there's Poppy. And I only know that because my niece loves trolls. So you get all these characters here. Look how cute. And look at a caterpillar bus, right? So I guess you put them inside the bus and the kids can play. I'm going to show you the back. Oh, that's super cute. Look at that. Look like their hair is going crazy. So that's what it looks like. And here's some more characters. And we're going to show you the UPC. And let us know if you guys are able to find this in your Walmart. There's the UPC. So go ahead and take a screenshot. And we're going to go ahead and scan this for you. Now, you guys can see the yellow tag. These were in clearance. This was $39.88, so almost $40. And the tag does say 19, but you guys cannot trust that yellow sticker. Look at that. It's only $15. $15. Remember, the regular price was $39.98. It went down to 19, and now it's 15. So that is a great price. That's a good price.
Yeah, it is.
All right, so let us know if you guys score this one. Here's another clearance item that we just found, and we're not even in the clearance department. We're actually in the department where they have like all the cars and the scooters and everything else. But look at that. Discovery Mind Blown, the ultimate science kit. This is super cute, and I'm definitely getting one of these for my little one. It says 8 plus, and it's a 3-in-1 experimental science kit. Look at that. Build a volcano. Oh, look. If you could build a volcano, dig for gems, and create slime. You guys, we're definitely getting this. And I'm trying to be quiet, but we're definitely getting this. They got this one, and they have this one right here. Look at this. So, and it says you can download, I guess download more stuff to do. And this is the back. Look at this. Especially if your kids are home due to COVID and they're bored, this would be the perfect thing to get them. Let me show you the front again. I'm going to show you the UPC. And this is only on Angel on the Go. Babe, can you scan this one? You guys, I swear in 2021, I'm going to get me a second phone so I can film and I can scan. I feel bad I keep using your phone. Look at this. $9, you guys. $9. The regular price is $30. And it's on sale for $9. You cannot beat that. We definitely got to get this. Let me show you guys something else that's right next to it. Look at that. This is my first race car. 1 to 3 years. Let me turn it to the side. It's small, but it's super cute. Radio flyer. All right. It's the side. Look how small the wheels are. All right. And here's the UPC. And look at this. $9. Can you scan it to make sure? $9. So they have it in red, and they also have it in the pink. Look how cute that is. 9? Okay, so these are scanning up $9. So if this is something you guys are looking for, run to Walmart, because Walmart is having a huge sale, and me and Manny are here to bring you all the sales. So you guys got to make sure you guys like this video. And here's the UPC for the pink. Hope you guys can see it. But it's super cute. They got a bunch down here. So we're actually going to leave these here. But good luck with your finds.